is 2-in-1 bread pizza. That is, make the bread pizza in two ways, one in pan and the other in oven or OTG. So please welcome to Sujan Fun Kitchen. So these are the ingredients that I would be using for the bread pizza today. So this is lockdown time, so I don't have all kinds of things for the pizza. So what I have is onions, and these are carrots, capsicum and tomatoes. I would love to have mushrooms too, but I don't have. So this is store-bought pizza, into which I've added Szechuan sauce and tomato ketchup. So this is the sauce. It looks so yummy. And this is rock salt, and this is the Italian spices, into which I added crushed black pepper and chili flakes. So basically these are the ingredients that we would be using for the bread pizza. So these are the vegetables going into the bowl. We'll be mixing all the vegetables. In goes the onion, yes, and the carrots, and the tomatoes, and the capsicum. So into this, the Italian spices, and then give it a mix. Yes. I've used brown bread today to make it healthier. So this is the pizza sauce. Yeah, spread it liberally. This is store-bought pizza sauce mixed with Szechuan sauce and tomato ketchup. Spread it liberally on it, on both these slices. This will go into the pan now. This is for the bread pizza made on the pan. So these are the vegetables. Yeah. Fill as much as you like or your family likes. Yes, and now comes the cheese, the best part. Fill it. Now add all the spices that you want. This is black pepper, crushed black pepper, according to taste. And then comes the Italian spices. Yeah. And then some chaat masala, and then red chili flakes. Yeah, and then a bit of coriander leaves, because I don't have basil leaves because of the lockdown. Yeah, so this is it. Add ghee or butter to a pan for the pan bread pizza. Yeah, so and then place the filled up bread to the pan and add more butter or ghee, and then just adjust the flame to a lowest or to a medium low, and then close it with a lid. Just 1 minute and the bread pizza in pan is ready. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, and then place the filled bread into it, and then after 10 minutes our pan pizza in oven is ready. This is bread pizza made using both tawa as well as the OTG or the oven. So see, you can't even make out the difference. It looks the same. Okay, so do try this. It's an interesting recipe. So a 2-in-1, a pan bread pizza as well as oven bread pizza. So let me show you one. See, it looks absolutely scrumptious. It's perfect. So do try this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Also share with your family and friends to Sujan Fun Kitchen. Thank you.